couple of them will give me a...
Depends how you want to cook them, right? Like there's this idea, they hang on to this idea that you have to pound them. Well, you don't have to do any of that stuff. They're so much easier to work with than people think, right? So
how would you cook them?
This is the red stripes that come from the seaweed that they eat. No pellets, no soybean meal. It's all natural seaweed fed, right? So the way you cook them, right? Take one. This is the meat. This is the foot, right?
Yeah.
So take some garlic butter, compound butter, herb butter, or just regular salted butter. Throw like smear of it on the foot. Get your grill going.
Yeah.
As hot as it goes. 700 and 900 degrees, like steakhouse hot. Right?
Okay.
Put it in the grill, shell side down. Butter melts down, but the shell, it's like a little cooking vessel. It's a little it cooks in the shell, right? 4 minutes. Turn it over. Butter all drips out, flares, very dramatic. Right, about another 4 minutes, put some nice grill marks on it. But same thing, the shell acts like a little steaming, like a little vapor lid, right? Come off the grill with a spatula, put it on a cutting board, and just like with the back of a spoon,
cut the muscle.
Just push right out of the shell. It's so easy. You don't have to dig in there, and then the viscera, right? All the guts and stuff. They'll be sitting right on top of the meat. If you don't want the viscera, it's very easy to just push them off the meat with the same back of the spoon. But you can eat them. They add really nicely to the flavor. It's just like eating a whole clam or a whole. They've been purged in a tank for about a week, so the gut's empty. Right, you're just eating like the viscera in the same way you would with a clam or a mussel or an oyster.
All right, so 4 minutes on each side.
4 minutes each side. Push it out. Chop, chop, chop. 4 or 5 little pieces. Right. Put it back in the shell. The shell will be really hot still. The shell holds onto the heat for a little while. Put the shell in a little saucer and just sit there. Just eat it while you're standing right next to the barbecue. It's
That's
like
cool.
the easiest thing in the world to do, and it's very like.